Science and Technology Part 1st, Chapter number 1, Gravitation. The numerical example which is asked in the exercise is a stone thrown vertically upwards with initial velocity u reaches a height h before coming down. Show that the time taken to go up is same as the time taken to come down. Now, solution. According to the Newton's first equation of motion, V is equal to u plus at. Equation number 1. Then we will find out the value of u. U is equal to V minus at. It will be equation number 2. Displacement of stone will be calculated by the formula S is equal to ut plus 1 half at square. But we know that the value of u is v minus at. Putting this value in this u, we will get the equation like this. S is equal to into bracket v minus at into t plus 1 half at square. Therefore, now here there will be a multiplication vt minus at square plus 1 half at square. Here minus 1 at square plus 1 half at square, that means minus 1 plus half. Therefore it will become Vt minus 1 by 1 at square plus 1 half at square. Therefore it will be S is equal to Vt minus 1 half at square. This will be equation number 3. Stone is moving in upward directions in first condition. Then there will be displacement S from A to B. That means H. S is equal to H. Time required to reach will be T, will be equal to T1. Acceleration will be A is equal to minus G. Minus sign will indicate the deceleration. Object is moving in upward direction. That means against the acceleration due to gravity. Now, initial velocity will be u. And final velocity will be 0. That means object will come to rest at this point for a short while. From equation number 3, this we will get S is equal to Vt minus 1 half a T1 square. Now S is equal to H. Therefore H is equal to 0 because V is 0 minus 1 half minus G T1 square. Minus into minus plus. Therefore H is equal to 1 half G T1 square. This will be equation number 4. When stone moves downwards, then S is equal to H. Again the displacement will be same. T is equal to T2. The initial velocity of the object u will be 0 because it is stationary at this point. A will be equal to acceleration due to gravity g. Again from equation number 2, in second equation of the motion, S is equal to ut plus 1 half at square. Then we will get H is equal to 0 because u is 0 plus 1 half g T2 square. Therefore H is equal to 1 half g T2 square. That means from equation number 4 and 5 we will get that of the both equations left hand side is same, that is H, and right hand side is given here. We are putting these values like this in equation form. That means H is equal to 1 half g T1 square is equal to 1 half g T2 square. By cancelling all the other values, we will get T1 raised to 2 is equal to T2 raised to 2. Taking the square roots on both the sides, we will get T1 is equal to T2. That means time to go in upward direction is same as that of the time taken to the object to come down. Thank you.